you guys are doing well. Happy Sunday or Tuesday or Thursday, depending on when this video goes out. But my name is Tashia and I create videos on affordable style, affordable living, and anything to do with lifestyle in general. So I'm pretty sure you guys are still celebrating. I'm still celebrating. I think the world is celebrating right now after the US election. And I just want to say congratulations to the US, to the United States on your new president and new vice president. Truly a historical moment that we are living through. I think I would say, you know, we've definitely lived through quite some historic moments in, you know, for millennials and Gen X's. Like, you have truly lived through some you know, incredible moments, as well as some moments of lessons. With that being said, I just feel truly blessed. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one, and so I'm so happy to be sitting here today to do this video for you guys, because it honestly just makes me feel good. So I'm just here to help everyone in whatever sense. If you're interested in these type of content, I'm hoping that these type of videos bring some sort of light and energy to your own life. With that being said, it's Sunday and I'm recording this on Sunday, and I'm literally listening to church on one side, and I have a bunch of bags here from Zara that I'm just gonna dig right into. It's not a super long haul. I'm gonna try to cut down the talking as much as possible, so let's just get right into it. I actually went into Zara for this particular haul. I went in to return some items, and I decided to browse the store and realized that a couple of the things that I had in my cart through my online or on Zara online available in store, and so I figured why not just pick it up one time and just be able to just get it done and over with. A lot of the items that I picked up are on sale right now, so if you're able to find these items online, please let me know, because they are actually selling out very quickly. I think they're definitely one of or a few of them are pretty much some highly favorite items, and I'm hoping that this video gets out in time that you're able to pick these up. So I have my receipt. Always have my receipt. I have my receipt right here, and I have the bags right here. So let's check out. Ooh, I got two big bags from Zara. I swear it's not a lot. I really do. Really trying, guys. I'm really trying here. Before we jump into the actual haul of the video, please, if you're new here and it's your first time checking out my video and my channel, please hit the subscribe button if you do enjoy the content. Every single one of you really do help the algorithm in terms of, you know, helping the channel grow and just putting me out there for anyone new that hasn't discovered my channel as of yet. So it really does matter. Every single one of you matter when it comes to, you know, your views and your comments and, you know, everything. So it does matter. So I just want to say thank you to every single one of you that continue to support me. I truly appreciate it. We are growing as a family here, and it just helps me to do what I do consistently as well, and be able to come here and produce great content for you. So right into the video, I'm gonna get up and show you guys this beautiful dress that I'm wearing. I'm super excited about this dress. This dress is called the Long Animal print dress, and I really like this dress. I bought this dress sort of on a whim, even though I saw it online. What drew me to this particular piece obviously is the animal print. I mean, let's be honest, anything animal print just screams, you know, chic, effortless. I mean, it gives you that extra, like, I don't know, extra life that you need, because it's animal print. Come on. So I have the receipt here, but I'm actually gonna check online right here. So like I said, it's called the Long Animal Print dress. Regular price for this dress is $79.90, but I was able to pick this dress up for $29.99. I mean, if that doesn't say like a deal. It truly is a deal. I'm really enjoying this dress. This piece, I picked it up, I believe, in a size, I don't even know what size I picked up. Let's check. Oh, I think I got it in a large. I think this is a large because it feels a little bit like roomy, and obviously the V is very low right here. I believe it's a large. I'll double check and I'll let you guys know for sure on the screen what size it actually is. Regularly I'm a medium, but I'm like tipping on a large a little bit in certain things. Anyway, so this dress is $29.99. I really love this dress. I love the fit of it. I love the fact that I can dress it up and dress it down, which is always great when you talk about return on investment. And if you guys know me, you know I like cost per wear is like everything for me. So I know I can really rock this casually and even for the office or for a meeting with a client. So there's so many ways that you can wear this particular piece, and I absolutely am happy with it. This is a keep for me. I honestly didn't think I would keep this, but I love it, and I love the fact that it comes with the belt. The belt is removable, which is great because that just adds to the fact that you can wear it in multiple ways. You can put a black belt if you want it on and replace it with the color belt that's on it. It has a nice like gray kind of charcoal kind of looking light gray color to the belt, which really picks up off of the color in the dress. And I love the gold detail of the buckle as well. If you guys know me, I really do love gold jewelry, but at the same time I love mixing metals. So with this dress, I love the fact that you're getting more for what you paid for. So like I said, this is a keep for me. Moving on, the next item that I picked up is actually these shoes, which I'm gonna try on with this dress. These shoes I did see before it went on sale, and I really liked them, and I wanted to get it as well. So when I saw that it was on sale and discounted from what it regular price, I was very happy to pick them up. I love these. So let's talk. Let me just show you the shoes. Come on, look at this color, look at this color, look at the square front and the heel. Absolute joy, absolute joy. So this shoe, so it's called the Split Leather Heel Bootie. Wait, it's called the Splint, let's get the right, Split Leather Heel Ankle Bootie. That's what it's called. Split Leather Heel Ankle Bootie. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a mouthful. So this shoe, actually the price tag is here. So let me show you. So regular price is $99, but I was actually able to pick this up for $59.99. And what I love about these, it's an ankle bootie, obviously. So you're able to wear it with your jeans and put your jeans over the front of it. If you're wearing skinny jeans, you can actually just tuck it in inside and it would just fit perfectly. But if you're wearing bell bottoms or wide legs, just go over. It can fit every single look. You can wear it with dress pants if you have like black dress pants or light, say beige or ecru. I can never get that word correctly, but you get what I'm saying. You can wear it with so many different colors. In terms of, for me, I have very neutral earth tone colors. If you know me, you know I love black, cream, beige, the whole 9 yards. So this will fit really well in terms of my personal wardrobe. The heel isn't super high as well, so that's actually really good. I love the detail of the heel as well. It's just a really well made shoe. I got it in a size 40 and it feels actually, it fits really well for a size 40 as well. I'm a 9, size 9 US 9. So yeah, 40 is 9. So, and it does have the zipper in the back. There you go. It's a nice detail of the zipper. All in all, I'm really happy with this purchase. This is a keep for me again. I mean, come on, for the price that I paid for it, and I know that it's going to be worn. And to be honest, there's a lot of shoes in my closet that I've been getting rid of slowly, so this is just replacing the things, like this is replacing all of those shoes, and this is going to become more of a staple. I've reduced my closet down quite a bit, and instead of having so many things, I get a selected few things that I know that I will be wearing and actually be worth and actually putting my money to work, right? So for this, I see myself wearing it this year, next year. Well, let's be honest, where are we going this season? So I'm excited for these. I love them very, very much. I absolutely love them. This is perfect. Yeah, so those are the two items. I love the look. I feel really, really great in them, and I think it just definitely just adds to this, to like my personal style. And just, you know, for me, like I said, I'm really trying to just add to the foundation that I already have in my wardrobe and just continue to elevate my style in, you know, for me. So the next item that I picked up is actually gonna go with this whole look as well, especially if I'm going out. I feel like I actually shopped a whole look here. This is like one whole look. So I've been hunting down this coat in particular for a while. I've been saying I need to change the coat that I currently have, which is a lighter version of this, and I feel like it just pales me out way, way too much. So when I saw that this one was on sale, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. But then I saw that they had two other coats also on sale, a little bit cheaper, and I was like, okay, I think I prefer to get two coats instead of one. But then I went into the store and I tried it on, and I was like, no, just get it. It's worth it. It's a piece that you've wanted for a while, and it's in the color that you want, and I just had to. I had to do it. So this is a double-breasted wool coat, and it's a long coat as well. And I got it in a size medium. So I'll just show you guys here. I don't know if you can see the color. I hope you guys can see the actual true color of this coat. I'm very, very, very happy with this coat. I love the way it fits me, and I was surprised when I picked up the coat to try it on. First of all, I was thinking I would need a large because I like to wear, you know, thick knitted sweaters underneath my coats, and I want to make sure that I have enough room when I do wear that. But I was actually caught by surprise because I was in fact wearing a thick sweater when I tried this coat on, and it had enough room in it. I did not need to go up in a bigger size. The medium actually fit perfectly, and I'm very, very happy with this coat. Very well made. It has a nice button detail. So it has nice button detail on the sleeve, as you can tell here, and it does have pockets as well, which I'll have to I'll have to open up the pockets. But I am absolutely in love with this coat. It is lined inside. It's nice and thick, like really, really well made. And just the fit of it is absolutely perfect. So let me see if I can find the tag. Was there a tag on this one? So regular price, I believe the regular price on this coat is either $159 or $179, but I was able to pick this coat up for $99. Absolute steal. I've been very lucky with coats from Zara and getting them on sale. So this coat is gonna replace another Zara coat that I have. The last and final item, I have everything just laying on me, so let me just put this back in the bag. So anyways, let me stop rambling on. It goes with this whole theme in terms of this whole outfit in the multiple ways you can wear it. So I'm gonna just pull it out. Okay, so the last item is this blazer. So this particular blazer is, I've been hunting down a beige or just like a nice caramel cinnamon color blazer, but this one is more beige than it is cinnamon, and I'm okay with it. It fits right into just adding to the base of my foundation, the base of my wardrobe that I've already built up. If you've seen my previous hauls that I've done, I have a black blazer, just one, and then I have a white blazer, and now I officially have a beige blazer, which now completes to me my blazer collection. But this one is just gonna add to the foundation of my wardrobe because I actually don't have this piece, and it works perfectly in this haul because it just goes with the color scheme if you really think about it. So this blazer can be used in so many different ways. So let me stop rambling on. I don't think I actually have the name of the blazer, so I'm just gonna show you guys the tag. So here we go. So I got it in a size medium. As you can tell, regular price for this blazer is $99.90. So I got it in a size medium. I think I'll try and find it and put it on the screen. It does have really nice button details on this blazer, which is absolutely amazing. The fabric feels nice and solid, doesn't feel cheap. Definitely feels really good. It doesn't have any buttons on the sleeves. I didn't try this blazer before, but trying it now, it fits perfectly. It's not too, yeah, so it's not too oversized, it's not too tight. It works perfectly, it fits perfectly, and even over this dress, this is one way I would definitely wear it as well, this particular dress. I think this is perfect for like if I'm going to a high level meeting. It just adds to the elegance of the look, and so I really do like this blazer. At the same time, I can dress this blazer down and wear it with some dark denim jeans and wear it with the booties that I bought, and maybe a nice off-white sweater or bodysuit underneath that's maybe like a square neck. There's so many ways I can tie this into my wardrobe, and I absolutely love that this particular piece will definitely complement my existing wardrobe that I already have. So like I said, I got this one on sale as well. Regular price was $99, but I actually got this blazer for $49.99. Like, so many ways I could absolutely style this whole haul together and separately, and I absolutely love that. So altogether I spent $239.96 for all 4 of these pieces. I think that is an absolute steal, considering the regular prices for these items. I definitely saved quite a lot. So with that being said, I think I've spoken enough and I've showed you guys every single item, every single piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I know it's a little bit quick and short and sweet. I know it's not a super heavy haul, but there are so many more hauls to come, so keep on the lookout. If it's your first time here, like I said, hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on all the future videos coming out. That's about it. I think I've rambled on enough.